Hi everyone, I have used this newly formatted phone for about 2 days and 14 hours. My phone has 5000 milliamp hour battery, but as you can see, the battery life is quite bad. After 2 days without any application installed, it just left with 69%. It can do even more better than this. Today I'm going to introduce to you an application known as App Froster Pro. It can help you to disable application, remove bloatware, remove spyware, and help you to save battery life, and you can witness your real phone performance. So first, let's go to the website of App Froster. First, we are going to search for App Froster Pro website, and I'm going to put the link down the description below. And currently it's in testing phase. In order to get the download permission, first you need to join the Google group. Click join the group and click join. After you get the download permission, you can click the second button. As you can see, we have the permission. Let's just become the tester. After that, we can go to download it on the Google Play link and click install. And it's quite annoying. They have a built-in application to intervene. Right, let's open our App Froster Pro. Make sure you read thoroughly and I agree. First, it will ask you to grant the usage access permission. Just click allow because this will be needed to show the running process. Let's go back. After you grant the running permission, you still need to grant the profile owner or either the root permission. So today I'm going to teach you to do it without root permission, which is the profile owner. In order to grant the profile owner permission, first you need to enable USB debugging. Let's go to our setting and then scroll down, go to about devices, and then click on version, and then find the build number and tap 7 times. Alright, after you are in the developer mode, go back. Let's go and find for the developer option under the system setting and enable the USB debugging. Okay, in here, developer option, let's scroll down. Okay, as you can see, you can enable the USB debugging. Just click allow. I'm going to click revoke first to prevent anything. After you have revoked it, let's connect it to the computer with your USB wire. Let's click transfer file audio. To activate it, it's very important. Remove all the Google account and the phone manufacturer account for safety. After you have done it, you can log in back to the account. After you have activated, download this tool.zip. It has everything you need inside, and you can open the run en.bat and let it do everything for you. I have downloaded everything, extracted it to my desktop, so let's open it. There are instructions in here also. First, we need to remove all the Google account. Let's go to our phone, click on the Google. Okay, let's click on it. Manage account. Open this. Click the 3 dot and remove account. Make sure you remember the password so you can log in later. And remove the account. Okay, let's click OK first. For safety, I will recommend you to remove this account as well. Ideally, you should remove it. But sometimes it can work, sometimes it cannot work, so you can try accordingly. Let's press the any key to continue. Alright. For the first time, you will see something similar like this. And click allow button. After you allow it, let's try one more time. Press any key, press a key. Okay, now we can grant the permission. Press any key. Alright, we have successfully activated the permission. Let's go to our application. And now you can see we have the profile owner permission. And as you can see, there are quite a few of applications that I have not installed here. And I'm not happy about it. Especially this one. This looks quite suspicious to me. Amazon App Manager. We can tap on it to see what is the application doing. something. Oh no, this is very bad. Alright, since it's recommended, we should actually disable it. For now, I'm going to show you. You can actually download the recommended frozen list. Alright, let's click download. Where is the download? Let's click on the detail. Phone storage download recommended. Phone download browser recommended. Alright, after that it will run. Wait for it to run. Alright, sometime it will crash. Don't worry, it's normal. Open the application one more time. Oh, we need to sign in back the account. Yes, because just now we grant the permission, we have signed out our. Now we can sign in back. Alright, after we sign in back our account, let's open the application. Let's import the package one more time. Click on it. Okay, now we have import completely. We have completely frozen all this bloatware. As you can see, these are the application running in the background. It's quite bad, you know. It's going to drain your battery life, and some of them are disabled now. And with this, we have disabled all the bloatware application. These are the recommended bloatware that you can disable. And if there is any application that you want to use, you can search it, YouTube. Let's say you want to use the YouTube, you can enable it back. So we can have the YouTube application back. Otherwise, if you don't need the YouTube, you can go back to the application and disable it. Alright, after that, our YouTube will be disabled.